you all? Yes, I hope all of you are fine and taking care of yourself. So children, today we are going to start part 2 of lesson number 2, General Science for class 5th. Yes children, as you can see that today I don't have board available because I am not at my house, and yes, it's not possible for me to carry all the stuff wherever I go. Okay, so this session we'll just do it like this. So yes, in the next section we have everything available. So yes, everyone, all the 5th class student, take out your reader. Lesson number 2, reproduction in plants. So yes, we were discussing about the reproduction in plants, and how the plants reproduce. Okay, yes, plants give birth to many seeds, but it is not compulsory that all the seeds grow, because few seeds can get all the facilities, but few seeds will not get all the facilities, definitely. Okay, like few seeds will get air, water, sunlight, everything, but the other seeds might be they are lacking some water, or might be they are not getting proper sunlight. Okay, so that seeds cannot grow, and some seeds are being destroyed by the animals, raiders. So there are many causes. So out of 1,000 seeds, you can see that all 1,000 seeds will not grow, only few seeds will grow. Then yes, we have learned about the structure of a seed. You can see this page number 122. This is the structure of the seed. The seed will look like this. You take all the pulses, gram or anything, so that pulses will have a seed like this. And yes, if you cut it from the middle, you will find a small baby plant over here. Then there is a shoot, and this one is the root of the seed. So this was the structure of the seed, and today we will learn need of a germinating seed. So if a seed want to germinate का मतलब क्या है? अगर कोई seed को grow होना है, ग्रो मतलब एक सीड प्लांट जब बनता है तो उसके क्या क्या नीड्स है, वी विल लर्न इट टुडे. Yes, so everyone take out page number 123, needs of a germinating seeds. Germinating seed needs air, water and suitable temperature. So yes, if a seed want to germinate, it needs what? Proper air, water as well as temperature. Okay, if seed does not have all these three things, so it cannot grow. First point, the seed needs air because it needs oxygen to breathe. The seeds get oxygen from the air trapped in the soil. Seeds are sown not deep but near the surface of the soil to let them get air. Yes, so the seed need air. Why do they need air? They don't have nose. Okay, only the people who have a nose, they need air for breathing oxygen, but plants do not have a nose. So why do they need air? Yes, they don't have a nose, but still they need air to grow a plant. So that air, it needs oxygen to breathe. Okay, what happens? So seeds take what? Carbon dioxide and gives what? Oxygen. So this is nothing but this is also a process of respiration. So they need air for this respiration process, and from where they do get oxygen? They get oxygen from the soil. That's the reason जब हम सीड को अंदर ज़मीन में डालते हैं तो उसे ज़्यादा डीप नहीं डालते, बस उसे ऊपर ही डालते हैं, एंड इट विल बी कवर्ड विद अ नॉर्मल सॉइल. थोड़ी सी मिट्टी से उसको कवर कर देते हैं, क्योंकि अगर सीड को ज़्यादा अंदर तक दबाया जाता है, सो व्हाट हैपेंस? इट कैन नॉट गेट प्रॉपर एयर. दैट्स द रीज़न जो सीड होता है, जब हमें कोई प्लांट को ग्रो करना है, तो जब हम सीड डालते हैं तो वो सीड को हम एक अपर लेयर में ही डाल देते हैं, एंड उसे नॉर्मल सी मड से उसे कवर कर देते हैं, सो दैट द सीड कुड गेट प्रॉपर एयर. नेक्स्ट, when water is absorbed, seed becomes quite soft. It swells up and the seed's coat is ruptured to let the baby plant come out. So when you give water, when you provide water to the seed which is under the ground, so what happens? That seed becomes soft. Definitely आप पानी कोई भी चीज़ में डालो तो वो सॉफ्ट बन जाती है. If you see, I'm having this paper, I'm throwing this paper into the water. What happens? The paper becomes very soft and it is not usable. Similarly, like that, when you pour water on the seed, it becomes soft, and when it becomes soft, what happens? It lets the baby plant come out. Then the baby plant will come out. This is the next process when you pour water. First process was the oxygen when you put the seed under the ground. Second process is the water. When you pour water, what happens? There comes the baby plant. Next, The seed needs proper warmth for its cells to become active and grow. Seeds do not germinate in very cold or very hot temperature. A moderate temperature 25 to 35 degrees centigrade normally favors germination. So yes, seeds need a proper temperature. They cannot grow in a high temperature and they cannot grow in a normal temperature. So in order to germinate the seed, they need a temperature of 25 to 35 degree centigrade. Okay, next there is a experiment like 3 bean experiment. What they have taken 3 bean, 3 दाने जो दाल के वो 3 दाने वो लोग ले चुके हैं. What happens next? Let's see. 3 mature and dried bean seeds are tied to a glass slide. The slide is kept in a beaker having water in the way as shown in the figure. The whole setup is left as moderate temperature. After a few days, only the middle seed germinates because it gets both water and air. Yeah, it gets both water and air. So what happens? You have taken an experiment. Okay, suppose for example this is a wood, and with this wood I am tying 3 seed, 1 seed, 2 seed and 3 seed, and I am taking half glass of water. Okay, what I am taking half glass of water. So when I am taking this seed, what happens? I tied 3 seeds over here and I am putting that in a beaker in a glass of water. So जो लास्ट की सीड है उसको पानी भी बहुत मिल रहा है, उसको वो अंदर डूब जाता है. मिडिल सीड को प्रॉपर लाइक सीड मिल रहा है एंड या प्रॉपर एयर मिल रहा है और वो ज़्यादा डूबता नहीं है. एंड ऊपर की सीड जो है उसे कुछ नहीं मिल रहा. ओके, ऊपर की सीड को कुछ नहीं मिल रहा. सो व्हाट हैपेंस आफ्टर अ फ्यू डेज यू कैन सी ओनली द मिडिल सीड. From the middle seed it will grow. What happens? It will grow from the middle seed. So जो लास्ट की सीड है उसको कुछ नहीं मिलता है, जो ऊपर की सीड है उसको प्रॉपर एयर एंड वाटर नहीं मिल रहा. सो ओनली द मिडल सीड विल ग्रो because it is getting equal amount of water and equal amount of air as well as equal amount of sunlight. So only the middle seed will grow. Both the seeds, the first seed and the third seed will not grow because first seed is not getting water but it is getting amount of air, and last seed it is like it is getting full amount of water but it is not getting air, so that's why it will not grow. So only the middle seed will grow because it is getting few water also and air also, adequate amount of water as well as adequate amount of temperature as well as adequate amount of air. That's why only the middle seed will grow. Yes. Now stages in germination. What are the different stages in germination, like how the seeds will grow? As you can see in the picture also, once the seed is sown, then again it gives birth to a baby plant, then again the baby plant gives birth to a root. You can see over a root over here, then again this baby plant giving birth to the leaves, then this leaves is been grown, then again this a big plant. Yes, so stages in germination. The seed grows in stages. First a root appear coming out of the soft moist seed coat. So first step is what? When the seed is sown, the root is coming out. When the seed, जब seed को पानी डालते हैं तो what happens? This seed becomes soft. और जैसे वो soft हो गया फिर वहाँ पे क्या होता है? वहाँ पे root मिलता है. So this is followed by the shoot. Yes. Again this is followed by what? This is what? Shoot. What is this? This is shoot. Next, the root grows downward and the shoot grows upward towards sunlight. So what happens? The root is growing downwards. Okay, and the shoot will grow where? Towards upside. So root, this is what? Under the ground, this is called as what? Root. And outside which is growing, this is called as what? Shoot. So yes, upwards towards the sunlight. Gradually green leaves grow. So yes, after few times you can see the green leaves are growing after few days. So the leaves start making food for the new plant, and again this leaves helps grow, taking the food, whatever the foods like these are the stomata. So जो leaves रहते हैं वो इस stomata में रहते हैं. So what happens? It grows into a new plant. So the new plant at this stage is called seedling. At this stage it is called as what? Seedling. As the green leaves grows, bigger the seed leaves shrink. So what happens? As the tree is growing, what happens? It is being, the seed leaves is stopping. So again there's